Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to cover the still floor and your built up area layers. So in the previous videos we have understood about parking, covered area, setback, floor boundary, etc. Now we are going to move to the floor plans, which is one of the most important part. So if you see my screen, I have already prepared the still floor layers for you. I'm again going to show it to you. So when we are preparing the still floor, again as I mentioned in the previous videos also, make sure that all your drawing manuals is handy with you. Make sure the color code and the polygon name, layer name, everything is as per the drawing manual. Okay. So once you have identified the exact occupancy that you are going to prepare the drawing for, we can proceed with the layer preparation. Okay. So now I am going to proceed with the still floor layer. So you can see here the still floor layer is mentioned. Block N, floor N, still floor, and the color code is mentioned as per your sub occupancy type. So as I mentioned, make sure that in the drawing manual you are also sure about which occupancy color code you are going to use. So if I go back to the drawing, I am going to prepare a rectangle first using the rectangle command, and this is a rectangle that I have drawn. Okay. So I have already prepared the layer name here. Clicking on this new layer tab, I have prepared this still floor layer. And because the still floor layer is my current layer under which I have prepared this rectangle. So when I click on this rectangle, you can see that the layer name is showing as block N, floor N, still floor. So basically this is a drawing that I have prepared. This is for block 1. Okay. So hence the number is block 1, and because still floor is in your 0 level. That is the reason why the name is mentioned as floor 0. Okay. And then that is the still floor. So once we have prepared the still floor, make sure that you check the color code. So for my still floor, it is as per sub occupancy type, and my sub occupancy type is residential group development. Okay. So I'm going to click on the polygon here and going to change the color code. My color code is 32. So now you can see the color code of the polygon has been changed. After preparing the still floor, to make sure that the area of the still floor is read properly in the scrutiny report as well as in the fee calculation, I will also prepare a built up area layer on the still floor. Okay, because still floor is used to identify that this is a still floor, but that still floor also has to get added to your total built up area, for which you need to prepare a built up area layer as well, which will again be helpful for the fee calculation and your FR calculations. So after I finish the still floor layer, I am going to prepare my built up area. So as per the drawing manual, if I check, this is the built up area layer. Block N, floor N, built up area. So accordingly I have prepared a layer which is block N, floor N, built up area layer. As I mentioned, for the still floor we need to, it is mandatory that you provide a built up area color code, layer and color code. Okay. So I have already prepared the still floor plan. Next I will prepare the built up area polygon. Okay, so I will create the layer first, make it a current layer, click the rectangle polygon, and then I'm going to make the built up area polygon right above my still floor. Okay, and again I will make sure that the color code is as per the sub occupancy type. It is in white right now. I will change it to 32, which is my occupancy type. So now the built up area layer has also been drawn successfully. After that we will prepare the still floor parking. Okay. So for still floor parking also it is similar to what we did for the covered parking. Okay. So here I am just going to go for the still floor parking.